Good morning, I'm Roxy Jacenko. Come join me while I get ready for my day and fix up this dull and lifeless looking hair. So I've just jumped out of the shower. I've used the Detox and Repair shampoo followed by the mask. The moisture is so much better in my hair now. It was so dull and lifeless. It's feeling great. Hi guys.
Hi. How are you?
Good, and you?
Good, thank you.
So what have you done this morning to prepare your hair, Roxy?
So I used the mask after the shampoo. It feels a lot better. It feels really moisturised. But I think just to sort of repair it, we should just stick with the ponytail.
Perfect, done.
Textured.
I might put some more of the Detox and Repair spray in.
Okay,
and
great.
Get started.
Off we head to the show. Well, that was an amazing show, but sadly it's time to head back to Sydney. Bye guys!